Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this doesn't look too good. How is my sound? How is everything? And how are you guys? Welcome back. Hello, Danny. How are you? How is everything going? So, new day in the markets. New day in the markets. Let's see what we are getting. Overall, I think the markets are looking nice. Had a lovely, lovely London session. Thanks to Jacqueline, I was able to catch a beautiful, beautiful trade and then caught a trade down with the Discord people. It was really amazing. You know, 2 winners in a session. That's what you really want. And yeah, now I think I'm not so itchy in regards of what to trade and what not to trade. Overall, it's been a beautiful month, carrying on a win percentage of around 82. So let me share that funded ladder thing as well. It would be good. So share screen. Still learning, guys. Still learning. This one. So this is funded ladder. So yeah, overall looking great. Funded ladder. This is my dashboard right now. Nice and green for February. Looking beautiful. Overall P&L of around 30,000, 52,000 overall, and then looking amazing. I think I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing. Obviously, the difference over here in the P&Ls is because this is for one account and this is showing for trades taken on multiple accounts. So very decent February until now. Really happy with it. I'm going to keep saying that, okay, January was not so good. Feb has given me what I wanted. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. We're going to keep working on what we are working on. And people, how beautifully this price action has been playing this month has been crazy good. So yeah, I mean, enjoy till it lasts. And yeah, I mean, once we start making much more, I mean, obviously I'm going to be scaling up soon. I've planned on scaling up by end of March. So end of March onwards, I'll increase my number of contracts that I trade to scale up a little bit and see how things go. But yes, before that, let's see where we are. All right. So I have been expecting the market to go and retest this fair value gap on the daily and then go for the sell side liquidity at the bottom. This is what I was discussing with the mentees this morning, that this is what I'm expecting. I want this sell side liquidity to be taken in the higher time frame. Whether it will be taken today, tomorrow, day after, 3 years down the line, I don't give a shit. But that's what I'm aiming for. Now, the market did try to go higher, but it did not push enough and got rejected. Now, that rejection, does it make me bearish for today? Not really yet, because we have taken this low. That's your Friday low. That's your previous day low, because yesterday was a holiday. So this candle is like a 2-day candle instead of a single day candle on the daily time frame. So we have taken previous day low and we have reacted nicely to it. Now I would like to see us go and take previous day high and then start the dump down. That is what I would love to see. Will I get that? Will I not? I have no fucking idea. So that's that, right? Looking at 6 hourly, a very, very good rejection from this massive fair value gap right over here. Now, still, one thing that you need to understand is that we are still trading above this fair value gap. We haven't yet inverted this. So if this fair value gap is inverted, I think there will be a very beautiful shot coming in from here down to the sell side liquidity that is below, with your stops just above the fair value gap, a 3 hour, which is perfect, right? That's one thing that you should be looking at. So some sort of price action like this, market opens in 7 minutes time. If it gets rejected, rejection, retest, and then down on the lower time frames. So this is one trade that you can look for on the lower time frames. Other than this, if the market starts to rally higher, completely fine by me. We'll aim for this fair value gap on the daily chart. So then if the market decides, okay, I want to go higher, then maybe we can take a long once we come out of this fair value gap, retest and go towards this daily. And that would also give you a beautiful 3 hour trade, because if you're able to get a good entry here with the stops under this, right over here, or if you want to basically be a little more, conservative, you put a stop under this candle's low, because that will be your turtle soup, and you just aim for these highs around 2 hour. That should be fine as well. I'm happy both ways. I hope I get an entry, because every time in the market, whenever I feel something is about to happen, okay, it might happen, it might not happen, but most of the time the market goes without me and I don't pull the trigger. Well, that's me for you. So let's see, let's give it time, let's let the market open, and do share the link, guys, with your friends, with your family, with your grandma, granddad, anyone that is interested in good jokes and trading. They should be here, so please do share the link around. It really helps me, grow, it really makes me happy, makes me smile. And now to our regular people, Danny is here. Hello Danny, how are you? Kumar, what's up, brother? What's up? You've been like away for last couple of days, Kumar. Like have you seen, we have expanded the Discord so much. We have got like 4 new people. So 4 new analysts that have come in the last couple of days to basically treat you guys to some nice little candies. 2 of them are from crypto world, 2 of them are from my world, which I call my world as in like the NASDAQ and the traditional markets. 2 of them are fundamental analysts and 2 of them are technical analysts. So you have a nice combination of different type of people who trade differently. And the best part is Rayut. So Rayut is a crypto trader and a stock market trader. Gave his first winner today on what, I don't know what the fuck that coin was called. Power shit USDT. I don't know. Power USDT. So nice 60% gain for him. I still don't understand the fucking leverage on crypto, man. 60% gain. And it was not even like 1 hour, no, 1.5 hour. And I literally messaged him, dude, you don't take TP here. He sends me a screenshot. He's like, dude, you fucking take TP here. I'm like, how the fuck does this 10x shit works, man? I have no clue. Now, I mean, that makes it easier for me to understand why people get wrecked. Because they don't understand the concept like he does, but most of the people don't understand the concept of leverage. They don't understand the concept of what 10x really means. And they go cross and they get stopped out and their portfolio is wiped off. So yeah, learn it from him. It's a good time to learn it from him. He's good, he's doing well, he has taken a brilliant trade. He's also monitoring PayPal, he's also monitoring a couple more stocks that he mentioned yesterday. And he was talking to me in our admin group and he was telling me there might be an entry coming soon. I said, do you want to charge for that entry? I'm like, no, fuck you, no charge. And so it is free. So people who are not there, I mean, there are 14 of you watching us right now. If all 14 of you are there, I love you all. If some of you are not there and somebody is joining us randomly out of nowhere because they had a fight with their wife or they just got, screwed over by their boss or something, and you joined us to have some, laugh, join the Discord. It's fun. It's lovely. I had to throw someone out yesterday because he abused me in Hindi and he thought I don't understand Hindi. He should know that I'm a fucking born Indian. And he was saying like, why are you tagging everyone? Dude, the reason I'm tagging at the rate everyone is because I want everyone to fucking read the message. And I'm like, you don't abuse me. Like if you were good enough, mate, you would not be here. I mean, I really got pissed. I really got pissed. But then I was like, no, take a deep breath. Deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out, and ban him. That was the best thing I could do. And I was like, ban. Don't abuse. That's the only thing I request. Don't abuse. Don't be abusive towards everyone. The only person who's allowed to be abusive is me. Because I come from Delhi. Like, Delhi is very, very popular for all this shit. Right? So, being from Delhi, I can't control my tongue. You, the abuser in the golden mask. Yeah, I am. I am. That sounds like some. I like the emoji that you put, man. See, I like this emoji. It's so cute. Hey, Nick, how are you? Hello, Gomez. How are you doing? All right, 1 minute to market open. Let's just quickly not waste more time and just quickly go down to 15 minutes. Come on, Sing. Back in your gist. Yeah, it looks bullish. Oh, thank you. That looks better. See, this one is better. So cute. Yeah, there comes ZA. ZA, you can't log in from the same account at any point, right? Every fucking time it's a different account. Why, bro? Yeah, let's see how the open is. I'm expecting a bullish open, but let's see. I want to see how we react on London highs as well. I don't want to long straight away. I want to see how we react on London highs. Will be fun to see if we open and start going towards it and just get rejected. That could be a good shot as well. So yeah, just keeping my eyes peeled and open and nicely peeled again on London highs. And let me just switch over from the contracts. Ding ding. All right, we are good to go. And that's your open. Let's see. Rally towards the London highs, crash towards the lows, rally towards the highs. So yeah, let's see how the first 5 minutes pan out. We will take a trade after that, and we will make sure that whatever trade we take, we are in it properly. So as of now, it is killing everyone on both sides of the market. So you went long, you went short, stop you out. Now I'm going to decide. Okay, you're subscribed on this account too. Well, lucky me. Multiple subscribers. Well, I don't know. I was asking ChatGPT, dude, my videos are not going viral. He's like, ChatGPT is like, you're wearing a mask. Nobody can link to you. I'm like, I can't remove my mask because I don't want people to link to me. Like, fuck you, ChatGPT. I don't want to go viral. It's okay. So just wait. Give it a couple of minutes. So first minute is over. Nice change in state of delivery, but obviously we need something else. We cannot just jump in because of that. Also, we have two back-to-back fair value gaps right over here, which could give us a nice little target. Yeah, I like that target. That's Asia high, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So yeah, looks good as of now. Let's see how it pans out. I want to see it basically close, engulf this candle. If it is able to engulf this candle, I might take a long opportunity here. So the long will look something along this lines. So 70 point stop loss and then go towards Asia high, 2.3 hour. So 11 more seconds to go. Oh, fuck me. It's just gonna rally, I guess. Might not give us anything. Okay, I'm gonna take a long position here. So fuck, click. Okay, 24,709. 24,709. Yeah, cool. I am in a long position. I'll put my stops just below this area, this candle's low, so that if it decides to go lower, I'm stopped out early. Don't want to be part of a trade, and it's a half risk trade, so don't just jump in with your whole portfolio. Just letting you guys know, it's a half risk trade. I don't want you to jump in with the whole portfolio on this one yet. The next one we go all portfolio in, okay? This one just half risk. So if we get stopped out, it's going to be minus 0.5 hour, and then we can take another one. Otherwise, we'll be out of tries and we'll not be able to take a single trade. It's not yet taken London high, so I do expect it to push a little. So nice little candles. Let's see whether it's able to sustain this or it gets rejected. So let it go and let it do its thing. I think it should be okay. Maybe not. Let's see. I mean, if we get a fair value gap to the upside, that would be great. Then we can move our stops and protect ourselves. I mean, I was expecting this candle to give me a fair value gap, but it did not. But can't do much about that part, right? All you can do is just live with what you have got from the market. If the market is nice to you, it will give you a fair value gap straight away. If it is not, it will just fuck around with you and then just, stop you out and go in the other direction. But as of now, I can't see us moving our stops anywhere just yet. So London high is now being taken, not yet. That's Q1 high. So there it's trying to take the London high. This is the place where I want to see the reaction as well. If we get rejected here, I'll close my trade quickly and maybe enter a short position straight away. So we'll keep an eye on the market right over here, on what it wants to do. How do we close this candle? Is it a bullish closure? Is it a bearish closure? It is a fuck all closure, whatever it is. And there comes the push. That would be my TP1, guys. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I don't think we have reached the place where I want to, because TP will be 2R will be somewhere around here. Yeah. So no TP yet. I'm just going to let it do what it's doing. Let's see if it leaves a fair value gap right here. No TP yet. Sorry if I confuse someone. I mean, I would expect it to kind of leave a fair value gap and then maybe I'll just go break even, because that will give me a nice place to go break even. That would be my TP1. So that's TP1, guys. And stops to break even, please. Just move your stops to break even. Let's just kill our risk completely. And we'll see how it plays out. Where are we? Where are we trading? New York PMI. I don't give a shit about this. But yesterday's New York PMI, right? So there will be some liquidity there from yesterday. Let's see how we react. I mean, it's break even, right? You have taken a TP, you have closed half of your trade, you're break even. Okay, so break even, move your stops to break even if you haven't. I'm requesting you, market can reverse from anywhere in the world. It is better to be out of the market than to be in a trade that might go against you. So I'm just keeping an eye on how the market reacts on this high. Can we create a new one and just keep pushing higher or not? Or can we basically decide to fuck around and go back? Let's see. It's a decision candle. The next candle is the decision candle. Even this one can be the decision candle. If it gets rejected and goes down, it will be a decision candle in my opinion then. But the next one will be a crucial candle in my opinion, because the 15 second is now kind of fading off some of the strength when I'm looking at the other chart. So 15 second is starting to look a little bit weaker. It just wants to show signs of retracement. So yeah. But yeah, if it pushes, then great. If it cannot push, then fuck me. Let's see if we get another nice little fair value gap somewhere. Well, we do have one over here, right? Nice. There is another fair value gap. So we can get a measure from these two. So this to this. Yeah, I think our TP is in a very good spot. And yeah, TP looks good. Break even trade, it's easy. I think this is a good trade now. We can chill. Okay, I'll go through the comments then. So GOB, did Dr. Singh just wear the mask on all naked and you'll be pegged. I'm not naked. Like I'm wearing something down there. Maybe not proper pants, but I'm wearing something. And show your furt now and then for the close friends. Furt. Is that fart? No, not fart. Foot. No, not foot. Face. I don't know what the fuck that is. Who the fuck is this Geo guy? Geo guy, I like you, but I don't understand what you're saying, bro. You're a nice person. I can see that. You're at least having a conversation here. Feet. Others are just quite busy making money. They just come here to make money. They don't even talk to me. Like some of them don't even say hello. Come on, say hello to me at least, people. People of the world, say hello to Singh for once. He's a fish. He's a whale. Are you from the whale room? Are you the secret spy? The spy from the whale room. You're done trading for the day. This, my friend, is a good person. He knows that he has done trading. I don't care if he lost. I don't care if he won. But he knows that he's done. And all he's doing now is trying to make sure that I can't see the charts and I can't make money because he is smart. Oh, it's Geo, man. You are good. There you are. Okay, now I know who you are. Your emoji game, Geo, is so fucking good. I feel when you're having sex, you should first send an emoji to the person you're having sex with because trust me, it turns people on. Like I send a trade and this guy just sends me eyes. I'm like, dude, literally you made me check my chart today. So you send the eyes and I'm looking at my chart and I'm like, did I make some mistake somewhere? And I'm like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? And then I saw there was no mistake. Everything looked good. And I'm like, this guy is insane. Your emoji game is good, bro. Hello, Seb. Hello. So nice little winner. I still expect it to go higher, but let's see if we have the strength to go higher. See, we have already done a good move, so let's not be greedy. And the way the candles are forming on the lower time frames, like that's 15 seconds. Yeah, this high is crucial now. This needs to be taken quickly. Just watching what you're doing, fish, orange, white eyes. Oh, see, he fucked up. He fucked up because he did not put a space before after the N. So the emoji did not come. You need to learn, bro. Join my mentorship. I'll teach you how to fucking do all this shit. Good emojis all come from my mentorship program. Oh, man. Mentorship on emojis. Gio, you want to offer that shit? All right. So, yeah, lower time frames are looking a bit overstretched. I think some sort of retracement. I would love to see some sort of retracement if we can basically do some sort of retracement into this fair value gap and just bounce out quickly. That would make me push my stop loss in profits, which I can't yet. So I would love that to happen. No worries, man. I mean, see, Whale Room already has some great people in there. So me not being there is not a big deal. Trust me. I miss it as well. I miss see, Whale Room people were asking a lot of questions. I was able to teach a lot more. So I was enjoying it. But again, everything brings a new beginning. And this beginning is for Squid Traders. This beginning is for me as a singular host. So I'm enjoying that as well. And to teach, like, trust me, like the students I've gained after I left Whale Room, they are some smart people. And I really enjoy looking at their analysis. Like today, I owe each and every penny I made in the morning session. Sorry, except of the 1.7 hour that I made myself is to Jacqueline because she saw the SMT and she was like, oh, Singh, you missed out the SMT. I'm like, oh yeah, there's an SMT. And then when I saw the signal, I just entered. So you make people smarter, and trust me, they end up making you money because they see things the way you see things. And once they start seeing the same things that you see, everybody is seeing the same thing. And then when everyone is seeing the same thing, the market gives money. And if it doesn't, then we all cry together. At least we have company to do something or the other together. Don't worry, we know about the octopus trader move, so we keep building. So yeah, let's see. This is the retracement I was looking for. I want to see how we close this candle. I mean, even if it comes down, stops me out, I don't give a shit because I've taken TP. Stops are at break even. It's a risk-free trade at the end of the day. But from what I've seen till now, it should keep pushing. If it doesn't, then that's fine. We basically start taking the trade on the other side of the market. It's all about one more push, my friend. One more push. Push it. Push it, baby. Who's the octopus trader? I'm the squid trader, bro. Octopus traders can't survive against squid. Squid is more powerful. What's gold doing? So yeah, as we were discussing yesterday, again with the mentorship students, I was talking about if we get rejected here, I'm expecting lower prices, and looks like a good rejection as of now. Let's see if it continues or not. So NQ is about to be stopped out, and I'm stopped after TP1. So I'll look for another trade, but that would require me to wait a little bit longer. So just a couple of more seconds of wait. So this one is out of the way. Nice little 0.5, 0.6 hour trade overall, which is fine. Which is fine. Money is money, my friends. Doesn't matter how it comes, it's money. What's the difference between a squid and an octopus? I think it's the number of legs or arms or whatever they have. Maybe. I don't know. Why are you asking such question, Daniel? Dude, let me trade. You're confusing me. Then I'm going to make wrong decisions. Then you're going to lose money. It's not going to be me. So let me trade, bro. So even though I like the short idea right over here, I still think that it's going to go for that high over Asia high. I don't know. My heart says take a trade. My brain says just keep calm. Keep calm and don't jump in yet. There might be something fishy happening here. Squiddy happening here. All right. Question, guys, come on. First trade. This is a good question. See, guys, if you come to this stream, even if there are just 14 of us, right? If we come to this stream and we don't ask questions like this, then all you're doing is listening to me blabber and just trying to make money when I make money. But most of the time when I make money, I'm not trading with you guys. So I will end up making more money. You will not make any money, and you might end up losing the trades, and I might end up winning the trades. So ask this sort of question. Learn from Gomez. Okay, first trade explanation. It was very, very simple. I saw this back-to-back fair value gaps. The target was still untouched. We basically swept all the liquidity from this low, and the reaction that we got was bullish, right? We took liquidity from this fair value gap, a very, very clean reaction of it. That gave me the confidence that the market might want to head higher rather than lower first, because London high was unswept. And then I was just thinking, okay, if it goes above London high, it might push to Asia high because that's the next liquidity. It just reversed from like $50 below it. Well, it might go still go higher, but this was the main reason. You were looking at powerful reaction straight away after sweeping liquidity, and then you're just trying to catch the move up. And yeah, it ends up being your winner, and that's perfect. I hope that makes sense. It was more discretion based, Gomez. More than rules or more than strategy, this was a discretionary trade. Like right now, I want to take a shot, but I'm waiting for something to happen. Once that thing happens, the problem that I'm facing after that is a very, very big problem, is that because the stop loss is going to be $177, I cannot take that trade. So I'll need for market to give me something. I want it to basically give me another way of taking this trade. So I'm just waiting for it. I'm just giving it some time, giving it, some time to confirm, because I still feel this liquidity has to be taken, and previous day high has to go. So I'm just waiting. If the market is really turning bearish here, yeah, it will give me something. Just give it some time. It could just be going down to basically take some more liquidity before going higher as well. So just keep your eyes peeled. Peeled. So we had this back-to-back fair value. Have we reached the target of these? Yes. So the first target is met. The second target is down here. So if we can go back inside this fair value gap and show a change in state of delivery, that would be great. What rules you follow on top step accounts? You use 5 connected, or what do you look at daily profit? I don't care about daily profits, man. If I'm profitable, if I'm having a profitable day, Geo, I want it to be a massive day. See, I don't understand the concept of daily profits. For me, it's simple. If I'm having a good day, I want it to be a big day. If I'm having a bad day, I want it to be a small day. Right? So if I'm winning, if I start the day by winning, I'll just try to make it a mass. Like today, I'm trading 5 accounts. I'm up around 3,350 on each account right now. Yeah, I just let it accumulate. Because I know tomorrow could be a day where I might not get a single trade, or even if I get a trade, I might get 2-3 losers. So I need something to pay for it, right? So when I get big days, I just try to make them massive. And especially if I'm on streaks, like if I'm trading on a streak, I just want it to keep going. No. I take profits on 5 days. So I use that 5 days rule. I don't use that 3 days one, 40% consistency. I don't use that. In Apex, it's a different story though. On Apex, I basically make $1,000 a day and I'm basically done. If I'm making 1,000, I'm done. Like if my biggest day would be around 1,000, that's what I want to say. It's not giving me the retest I wanted, and I don't want to short here. I mean, if there was a short, it was up here. Right now, you'll need to wait another 1 minute candle for a fair value gap to be left, and then maybe try a short position from there, with this high being what you use, and then you are targeting the sell side liquidity down below, which is somewhere around here. So this could be a trade, but again, London Q1 is just below. London low is taken, so that's fine. So if we do leave a fair value gap, maybe there is a trade here. So 41 seconds to go. Let's see. So if we leave a fair value gap here, there might be a trade. I might take something, but it depends on whether we leave one or not. So yeah, just wait and watch. It is looking fine though. Okay, I'll take a trade here. Okay, I'm in. My entry is literally just over here somewhere. Yeah, so I'm in. I'll just put my stops above this candle's wick. If I get stopped out, this is again a half risk trade. I'm not going full risk because I feel that we are still at the bottom of the 6-hourly fair value gap. So there could be a bounce from here. So I just want to be like less risky. Yeah, I want to be less risky. I don't know what that really means, but yeah. And I'll be aiming for the sell side liquidity down below, even though we have couple of targets that might be achievable earlier, which is coming from these two back-to-back fair value gaps on the 5-minute at the closure of this candle. So 200% down here and then 400% below that. So there are targets, but I'll be basically aiming for much lower. Let's see whether we get that or not. So let's see. I would love to see a push, like clean push down. That would give me confidence about the trade. If I don't get that, then I will think it is going to get stopped out more or less. You want like a new low to be created and then a push below this low. That will be your confirmation that the price does really want to go lower. If the price cannot do that, then yeah, it most likely will stop us out. That's fine though. Even if we get stopped out, we are still profitable for the day, so I'm quite happy. Not profitable for the day, I'll say break even for the day. So can't move our stops yet until we have another fair value gap. So we'll need to wait another minute after this to basically think about moving our stops lower. Yeah, so this minute candle, if it closes bearish, that will give us a chance to move our stops lower. So let's see whether it does want to do that. Cool. Any questions, anything from you guys, anything that you want to ask, you want to talk about, you want to chat about? It's very difficult to keep speaking, guys. I need your questions so that I have things to talk about. Otherwise, I don't have anything to talk about. I mean, the only thing I can talk about is sex, other than if you guys don't have any questions. That's the only thing I'm good at, apart from trading. I mean, I'm trying to say that I am. I don't know. I mean, I've never asked for a feedback form at the end of it, but maybe I should have. I don't think any male in the world would say I'm not good at it. I think every one of them will be like, oh, I'm great at it. Sorry, ladies, you know me. I mean, most of the ladies that are watching, they know me, how the fuck I am. I never mean it. I just like to crack stupid jokes. So fair value gap is there. With the fair value gap being formed, this is a difficult decision to make, because the reason it is difficult is because we do have this fair value gap above, and if it goes there, we are stopped out no matter what, right? So why not just take, I'm gonna go break even on this trade, finish my risk off firstly. I'm not taking a TP, just going break even. So basically the high of this candle, that is my entry as well. So just go break even and let it do what it wants to do from there. And if you want to take a TP, you can take a TP as well. Like, you have taken this liquidity, right? If the market wants to reverse, it will reverse from here, right? Otherwise, if it keeps going lower, there is nothing stopping you. Like, to that low, there is not much, I think, in the way if it wants to go lower. Yeah, like there is this low right here, then this low right here. I mean, take a TP if you want to. If there is a reversal, it's going to happen where we are. An entry at TDO CSD, would that be valid? Are you talking about this, Daniel? Danny, are you talking about these two candles? A change in state of delivery on these two candles? Let me know and I'll answer. Yeah, it's a valid entry. To be honest, it's a better entry than mine, because I basically waited for another fair value gap to be formed, whereas this is also the push down candle, so that's a valid entry. So I hope you have taken a TP. You don't blame me later that you didn't take a TP and you are getting, basically you're losing the whole trade. So take to 20. I've taken 25% off. I hope you have taken 25% off, and I've moved my stops to break even, because I don't want this to be inverted. Because if this is inverted, I will be stopped out, even if the market goes up and then down again. Yeah. So if I get another entry, I'll take another entry. But I think for me, this trade is only valid if we keep pushing, because we went below this low. I don't want to see lack of displacement below this low. It's as simple as that, which I'm seeing right now. So I want to see continuous displacement below the lows. That will give me a confirmation, and then we can chill and talk about sex that we were. So let's see what it does. Going to let it play. So 15 people, whosoever you are, if you're not on Discord, I want you to be on Discord. Do join. The link is in the description of this video. It's free of cost. There's no hidden charges as of now. In future, there might be a very small, tiny charge just to see how much you love me. It will not be $80. It will not be $90. It will not be $70. It will not be $50. And it will not be higher than whatever numbers I've said just now. So whatever the charge will be, it will be much lower than what you spend on day to day on condoms. So you should be fine. That's a very good way to market my product. You make money to buy more condoms by spending less money on condoms. That's investment. Fucking hell, I'm good. All right, so the price is chilling. Oh no, it's not anymore. It's pushing now. It looked to be chilling for a while, and I was like, the price is chilling now. It's not. It doesn't want to go down. What's up? Where were you, Lixie Gaming? You've been sitting here listening to my jokes, and you haven't even said a hi. Make it a rule. People who have been trading with me for a while, whenever you join the stream, just say hi, man. It feels good that you guys are there. Everything is fine. Like Blake, I used to love him. I don't know where he is. He doesn't turn up for streams. I don't know where he is. And sometimes I see his name, I'm like, I'm gonna message him and ask him where you are. For me, this Discord, this YouTube community is not just about us sitting down and just trading, and I don't know you. I know a lot of you. So whenever you are there on the stream or in Discord, just bloody say hi, guys. You are the OGs, guys. Come on. OGs have different value. OGs are the one when I'm gonna be like a multi-millionaire. I'll have like 2 fucking Lamborghinis, and I'll see you guys standing on a red light in your Volkswagen. I'll still say hi to you. I promise. So say hi. That was a bad joke. But yeah, I mean, it's just let me know you're okay. Taking my son to school. Mornings are heck. That's fair. Yeah. Say hi next time. Yes. Yeah, man. Kids, no. I know it is tough. All right, this is slowing down. I'm not liking this slowdown in price. I want you to fucking go. Just go down so that I can relax. Take a TP at around 400% and then just chill. I mean, at least we have our underwears due. Imagine being in a bad place, not even having an underwear. Well, you feel it that way. The problem with having kids is you can't even move the risk to break even. The more they grow, the higher the risk. Cool. Okay, so I mean, I think it's in the decision-making process price. I think we might just retest this fair value gap again and sweep the high over here, and then maybe make a decision where we want to go. But I'm okay. Stops are at break even. We have taken 1 TP. I've taken like 33% of my position off, so that's fine. Even if it stops us out, it will be a 0.67 or 0.8 hour trade. Or sorry, day or session, however you want to call it. Which is fine by me. London was good, and I didn't expect much from New York today, honestly. Iliada, what are you doing here? I told you, no trading, no studying. You're on a break. Go to your horses back. Go. It's okay. You can hear my jokes. Don't trade though, please. No trading. That's all, Iliada. Okay. Yeah, just watching, no trading. So I have banned Illada from trading, guys. Yeah, man, with kids there are no stops ever. It's like the trade is never risk free. You know, one day the risk is, oh, they might fail. The next day the risk is they might do something stupid, much stupider. I think it's gonna stop us out on break even. Not liking the price action on lower time frames. It's just stalled completely, and it might want to push back inside of this fair value gap instead of just this one. That's what I was thinking, but I'm not going to move my stops. I'm just going to let them be break even. If I get stopped out, I'll wait for another change in state of delivery to enter another trade towards the same side. So that's my thesis. I don't want to I don't think it could still reverse, and it could reverse quickly. So yeah. But yeah, whatever happens, happens. Let's see. I think the entry for this trade was very late. We could have entered earlier. It's just that I was not confident in regards like whether it will be able to do what I wanted to do right when we were over here. So for me, I think the entry was a bit late, but that's fine. We can still wait. We are still inside this fair value gap, and if it basically wants to reverse, it will reverse from here. So we are not stopped out yet, so we can still chill. Because if it goes below 24,520 area now, after doing all this, if it goes below 24,520 area, trust me, it's going to be a very quick sell-off. So you should be keeping your eyes on 24,520, which is somewhere around here. So if it goes below this area, I think it will be a very quick sell-off. Till the time we are above this, our break-even stops are our friends. So we let them play. Let the kitties play, boys. Let the kitties play. So not yet stopped, but I will be stopped. I look from the looks of it. Well, it's trying to stop me out, but fails every time. So maybe it just doesn't want to stop me out. Maybe it likes me. Maybe you love me, price action. Geo didn't see the text. Hope you're doing well, brother. Well, Geo, if you are not seeing the comments, Lixi Gaming wants to ask you if you are doing well or not. Please reply. Thank you. Yours faithfully. I like it. Like it's a small, it's a small family of traders. Can't wait for you to sort out some educational. Yeah, I will be doing them, so don't worry. They will be happening pretty soon. In between all these emojis, there's a nice message from Geo. I mean, you might not be able to read all of the things. So he wants the educational zooms to be back on Squid. It will be back soon. Traditional markets, I must learn. Choose from you, my friend. My juices are basically, everybody wants my juices. So popular. So if we close below, as I said, if we close below 520, I think we will sell off pretty quickly. We need to close below that though. Tomislav, how are you, bro? Oh. Yeah, I remember this name. I'm not going to try to read it. Yeah, Tomislav, I remember your last name. I tried to do it the other day, right? I failed horribly. I hate this mask, man. Can't even breathe. And my nose becomes scratchy and itchy and all that shit associated with it. So cool, guys. Well, if we move down, okay, I'll give you before I stop breathing because of this mask. I'll take your leave. For in terms of TP, I will take another 30% of my position off at 400% if I go there. And once that is done, the last TP will be straight down here. I'll just trail my trail my stops, so that even if it doesn't reach, I basically get stopped out in profit or something. Because I mean, I'm targeting way more than I can chew. 1.74%, that's way more than I can chew, guys. That's $400 move. If it happens, it's beautiful. This will basically become a $20,000 day. But if it doesn't happen, I'm still happy with what I've made today. Overall, market does look like a bit confused, and that was expected, right? That was expected. This slowness, this confusion from the market was an expected confusion, because the markets have not, they were basically President Day, that was a bank holiday yesterday, right? So if you have a bank holiday, most of the time the market opens with confusion on where it wants to go. But then come end of Tuesday, New York PM session, and start of Wednesday, the market makes up its mind that, okay, this is the direction I'm going to take for the coming week. So the only thing that has changed is now that instead of Monday being accumulation, right now you are seeing that Monday and Tuesday are more of accumulation, and then Tuesday PM session will give you a direction of the week. So just wait for it. If you don't get a good trade right now, I think we'll get something in the PM session if somebody trades that, and you can basically take a trade from there and just build your thesis from there. It should be fine. Same, never stop learning. Market humbles me every day, man. I tried to find more comfort. I got a Batman mask as well, and I tried to wear it. I felt as if someone's putting a stocking on my face and I'm going to go and rob a bank. So I decided to go against that Batman mask, and I just stuck to this one. It's nice. I like it. It's not that difficult to breathe, but it's just that if you are in the stream for more than like, half an hour, 40 minutes, then you start feeling it. You start feeling that, it's not so comfortable. That then until that time, it's very comfortable. It's fine. 30, 40 minutes is fine. All right. With that, I will take your leave, guys. This trade is still open. Stops are at break evens. TP will be for 24,418, and after that, we'll just trail, and we will see. Okay, don't use a filter that no mask like VTuber. I'll check it out. Thank you. I'll check that out. All right, perfect. Perfect, guys. Thank you so much for joining in again. Thank you so much for joining in every day that you do. And again, if you're not on our Discord, do join. It's free. There's no cost, and I love to see you there. And take care. Bye bye. See ya.